Hi guys, it's Erika. Welcome back to my channel, or just welcome to my channel, period. I'm just here to do a little quick how to. So we talk about how to clean our makeup brushes, but I don't think I've ever seen a video on how to just clean your general hair brushes. So I'm getting ready to do my daughter's hair. Right now she has As I Am. Let me get the container. So the container looks disgusting because it's been used. I just threw it in the trash and I picked it up out of the trash. But I am using the As I Am Dry and Itchy Scalp Care Olive and Tea Tree Oil Co-Wash up to 100% flake free for hair types 3 and 4. So it fights and prevents dandruff, effectively cleanses hair using natural ingredients, helps prevent itchiness, and soothes the scalp, hydrates hair for more vibrant, manageable, natural coils and curls. There is an asterisk by the up to 100% flake free that says visible flakes with regular use if used with As I Am Dry and Itchy Scalp Care regimen, which I will be using that regimen today. So this is what it looks like, the As I Am. They used to only carry it in Sally's, but now they carry it in Walmart and possibly other stores. I've only seen it in Sally's and Walmart. I haven't tried Target as of yet. I will be using the As I Am hair care line. I have a little bit of the shampoo left. I bought 2 new bottles of the shampoo and conditioner because I didn't have any. But I have the olive and tea tree oil shampoo, which is like this. This is the actual line. So this is the blue line. The regular line is brown, and I believe they have another line out right now. And then this is the conditioner. There's also a hair oil, same packaging and all that stuff like that. I just didn't buy it because I have another hair oil that I'll probably do a review on. So this is kind of like a how-to as well as a review. I've been using this for so long, and I was trying to find something for her hair because I want to say she's on borderline of having some type of eczema, not only just in her scalp, but on just her body, period. But it's hard to tell with her because she doesn't have like the general dry, flaky scalp, or her scalp, yes, but her skin, no. Ever since I started using this, and I have used other things in between, but since I started using the As I Am Dry and Itchy Scalp Care line, she doesn't really dig in her hair as much as she used to. She doesn't have as many flakes as she used to either. And in it is an actual active ingredient. So there's Zinc Pyrithione. I don't even know how to say it. Zinc Pyrithione is 1%, which is an anti-dandruff and seborrheic dermatitis ingredient. So there's an actual ingredient in here that helps with your hair. For good reviews on this, I highly recommend this if you have any type of itchy, flaky, dry scalp. If you have all 3, if you only have 1 or a few, I would definitely recommend this line at Target. At Walmart, I believe both the shampoo and the conditioner is $10.98, and for the co-wash, I'm not sure how it is. So what I normally do for her is I do the co-wash first. I'm starting to learn how to section her hair. I should have been doing because it's just been so hard doing her hair. She's also tender-headed like I was at that age. Actually, I still am a little bit, but I have locks now. But yeah, so I've sectioned her hair off. I put the co-wash in. I actually use this detangling comb. I believe I got this from Target. It's by Goody, and it's the Ouchless. I think you can use it as wet or dry. It has a little hook that you can hang on the wash in the bathroom, on the shower, or wherever you want to hang it in your bathroom, so you know how to detangle. But I just used that today to detangle her hair, so it will be not as bad when I am actually doing her hair. And it's already pre-detangled. I find that when I detangle her hair first, especially with the co-washing, and then I start washing and conditioning, it makes it easier for me to comb through as well as blow dry. So I do blow dry her hair. I don't really have a heat protectant. I haven't found one yet, but yeah, I'll be finding a heat protectant to put her in here when I blow dry her hair. It just makes combing her hair and doing her hair easier. So getting right into the actual tutorial of this video. So how to wash your hairbrushes and your combs as well, because I had a few combs that I washed, including this detangler comb. This is not my favorite one. I bought this off of iKatehouse. somebody took my Goody's detangling brush and I cannot find that one again. I even cleaned these, so I'm just gonna try to show you as much as I can because I don't have my regular camera anymore and I'm just videoing from my iPhone. Such is life. I'm trying to be active in this again. So I have my regular Goody's brush. I like this brush. This brush is like the smooth and shine brush. So I use that on her hair just in general. Today, I'm just going to take this brush. I actually cleaned the rest of these brushes so you can actually see how clean the brushes are. So what you need to do first is actually take a comb, any type of comb. I'm just taking this rat tooth comb where the tooth is actually messed up on this one. And before you start washing, getting your brush wet, you want to take the comb and just comb out all the dirty hair and all that stuff like that. Being African American, black, whatever you want to call yourself, colored, person of melanin, we tend to have a lot of, sorry, I guess I shouldn't talk while the water's running, but we tend to have a lot of products and stuff that we use in our hair, and so our brushes build up with all types of product as well as dead hair. So I've already did that. I mean, I do have a few. If you have a few scraggly pieces, just pull them out. So the brush is clean. It's not cleaned with any soap yet, but it is clean as far as having hair stuck in it. So I'm going to take just this Aloe Vista One Cleanse Body Wash. I got this. I think I had this from the hospital when the kids were born. They are 4 now, if you just want to know. But I'm just going to take this. It could be any. It could actually be the shampoo that you're going to use to wash your hair. And just take this. Pop the cap open, do this. I tend to have the water running while I do it, so with hot water, but I just take my fingers, hands, and be careful doing this because it flicks water and soap everywhere. Just get it nice and lather up, and I just take the water and rinse it out. After I'm done, shake all the water out of it, and ta-da, clean brush. Sit on my towel, aka my old t-shirt. I dry hair with t-shirts to reduce the frizz, and just let them dry. Pretty much that is it. That is the way to wash and clean your brushes, and a small review on the As I Am hair kind line. I like As I Am. I even liked it before this line came out, just the regular brown line. The co-wash is like magnificent. Like when you use the co-wash from any of the lines and you wash your hair and then you wash with the soap and conditioner, it just makes it for a squeaky clean, easy to detangle, all that stuff. So I really do like the As I Am care line, and like I said, it's for types 3 and 4. So for your people from 3A all the way down to 4C, I think you would like this. Again, it does have the active ingredient in it for Zinc Pyrithione. It's only 1% for anti-dandruff and Seborrheic Dermatitis. So it has it both in the conditioner, the shampoo, as well as, let me double check. Yep, as well as the co-wash. So if you use all 3, maybe you're getting 3%. So that is a quick how to wash your hairbrushes and hair combs, as well as a quick review on the As I Am care line. I think that is it I have for right now. Stay tuned for some more iPhone videos. I think I'm just gonna start filming from my iPhone now. Anyway, that is going to be all for this review and how to, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace and happiness. Bye guys.